Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the Logitech Wave Keys software for your Mac. So you can download the software for either Mac or Windows, and in this video there will be a Mac version. If you want to install it on Windows, you may want to search for another video on how to install in Windows, or just follow this one, but the steps may vary. But what's the most important? The website should be the same. So first, make sure that you are connected with your keyboard, which if you don't know how to do, there is a video on our channel on how to do it on Mac. There's also a video on how to do it on Windows or any other iOS or Android phone. And then go to this website, which is provided in the description down below, and select your operating system. So since I'm downloading it on Mac, I'm gonna select my macOS 15.0. If you don't know which macOS you have, you can just click on the Apple logo in top left corner, and then click on About This Mac, and you should see your macOS here. Mine is Sequoia 15.2. So I'm gonna select the macOS 15.0, and it should display the driver, but it doesn't, so I'm gonna just refresh through the website, select macOS 15.0, okay, and it shows me here. Then I'm gonna click on download now and select where to download it. So I'm gonna just click on save, then I'm gonna go to the finder and go to downloads. Then I'll see this zip file right here. Double click on it and it will automatically unpack it, so I can just now double click on it to open it, the installer, then click on open. Now you may need to provide your password. And now it'll show you this install window, so click on Install Options Plus. Then you may need to wait a moment until everything downloads and installs. Now you can see that it asks for some permissions. I'm gonna permit to it using the Bluetooth. Then I'm gonna go to Open Accessibility and grant the accessibility permissions, so I'm gonna grant it here. Then provide either Touch ID or passcode. Okay, now I'm done, so let's click on Continue. Then let's open Input Monitoring and enable that. Then provide my Touch ID. Then I'm gonna click on Quit and Reopen, and it will quit and reopen the app. And now permissions granted successfully, so let's click on Continue. And then you may click on Yes Please to send diagnostics and usage data, or No Thanks. I'm gonna click on Yes Please. Then you may log in if you want. I'm gonna skip that. And you can see here is my keyboard. Since it's connected, I can click on it, then click here, and I can adjust all the settings. So let's go further. You can read all of these messages. It'll show you a short description of the keys on your keyboard and explain these. You can customize them as well in the app. Okay. And now let's click here, and here in the app you can just customize these keys that are here. You can also go to Easy Switch and see all your paired devices, or you can go to settings and check for updates. You can also do more things. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.